Okay, this is the original gas tank from my Exalter. You can see there's a couple holes right here. In the top, you can see this rusted hole here. And that there. So this tank is no good. I can't use it. But I did find this one online. And you can see, looking underneath it, from the bottom, it's just a little bit shorter. It's actually 3 inches shorter than the original tank. But other than that, I mean, it's a good matchup. Height-wise, it's the same. It's right at the same thickness. And it's in very good shape. Now, it came with this sediment bulb right here on the bottom. I've loosened that up because we won't need that for the Exalter. So that comes off. And like I say, it's about 3 inches shorter, but other than that, it's a fair match for my tank. Alright, here we are. We got it all sanded off. We got the bands looking pretty good, I think. So there's some primer on there. And bottoms of them there. Got the little bulb. I probably won't actually use this thing, so I mean, you know. And then the tank itself, you can see there's a few spots along these seams I got to hit by hand. I'll do that right before I paint it and clean it. But I mean, it cleaned up pretty nice. It's got a few dents in it, but I mean, it's going on a unit from 1975. Everything's all original. I think a paint job, and this will look good. I'm torn whether to paint the tank black and the bands orange, or paint the tank orange and the bands black. And right now, I'm going to sand my little air filter. Alright, here we are with the Exalter in Kevin's garage. You can see he's painted these springs. He's painted everything, actually. Primered everything. We just got the tank here. Got the air filter on it. We got the carb in the mail. We just went up and picked up some brake lines. He cleaned up these brakes. I wish I had a picture of them before they were done. It's just amazing. And I mean, it is amazing. As we go on around, you can see he threw some paint on the motor and the exhaust. On the pulley there as well. Redid the front end. You can see he put a ring of paint around that headlight. It was pretty pitted, and he tried to polish it up, but I mean, it looks excellent. I think it looks super nice. This is all original. Painted those shocks. That's the original shocks. Just everything's coming along so nice. Body right next door here. Right there's the body for it. I think he's going to start working on that next. You can see he put a coat on this motor. He took apart and did a little redneck renovation on the starter. You can see if you look inside the motor there, he painted the, I think it's a flywheel. Just all of it looks so nice. He sandblasted the tires, painted the wheels, painted that little center hub orange. Like I say, I am so excited I can barely contain myself. Hopefully soon we'll have a little video with the body sitting on it and that thing running. It'll run right now, but he's ready to put the carburetor on, but it'll fire up and run right now like a beast. So that's about it for now. Just a little update. Thanks for watching, and God bless.